This is our second mathematical tutorial on compound interest. Compound interest. Today we will learn about the compound interest. Okay. So when at the end of a fixed period the interest is not paid to the lender but is added to borrowed money, and such amount becomes as principal for the next period, and this process is repeated until last period. Then difference between final amount and original principal is known as compound interest. So when at the end of a fixed period the interest is not paid to the lender but is added to borrowed money, and such amount becomes as principal for the next period, and this process is repeated until last period, then difference between final amount and original principal. So difference between the final amount minus original principal is become the compound interest. So in this case, for every next period of time, the interest is charged on the total previous amount, which is the sum of principal and interest charge on it so far. So every time we calculate successive increase in the previous amount. Now suppose we can say principal equal to P and rate we can say R%, okay, time we can say T year, okay, and amount we can say A. So now amount A is A equal to P into 1 plus R divided by 100 to the power T. That's the formula. Okay. Now compound interest CI equal to amount minus principal. This is the compound interest like I have told. So CI equal to compound interest, CI equal to A minus P. This is the formula. Now A equal to this one. So we can write let me create a new whiteboard. So we can say CI means compound means CI equal to what? Amount minus principal. Compound interest equal to amount minus principal equal to, we can write A equal to P into amount, P into 1 plus, this is the value of A, okay, P plus R divided by 100 to the power T. My tutorial is based on the basic and the strategic things that will make you some impression on mathematics and ideas. So today's topic is all about the compound interest, so I am going through that. So P of 1 plus R divided by 100 to the power T minus P. If we let the common p, then we will get 1 plus r by 100, 1 by r by 100 to the power t minus 1. Okay, so this much. This is all about the formula. Now we go through some examples and problems. Now the question is, suppose the question is, I am writing here what what okay, let me yes, here what, okay, what will be the amount when uh, 100,000 or 1 lakh is deposited in a bank in a bank like that way, 10% per annum compounded annually, compounded I'm writing it softly, compounded annually for 3 years. Okay, so this is our question. Today's question. What will be the amount when 1 lakh is deposited in a bank, or 100,000 is deposited in a bank at 10% per annum compounded annually for 3 years? Okay, just go through that solution and you also try in your home, applying the above that formula what we have written before. We have p equal to, in question we have p equal to 1 lakh or 100,000. We have p equal to this much, and we have r equal to 10%. We have 10% per annum. T equal to 3 years. So we have to find what is the amount of A. Okay, so now we go through the formula. A equal to 1 lakh 1 plus r by 100 means 10% by 100, r by 100 to the power year. Year means t, time. So we will get the amount 1 lakh into, we cut here, so 1110 into 1110 into 1110. Okay, so we will get here, these 3 zeros are cut down, and we will get, after the calculation, we will get, if we calculate this much, we will get 121 into 11 into 100. Okay, so after calculation we will get 131,000. So this is our answer. So this is the introduction of the compound interest, and next we will go through the depreciation. it is known that the prices of some articles depreciate in their values over a time period. When the value in terms of currency decreases, we say that the value of the article is depreciating. So F equal to I into 1 minus R by 100 to the power t. So when I here I equal to initial value, I equal to initial value, F equal to F means the final value, and R is the rate of depreciation, the rate of depreciation, and T equal to the time depreciation. Okay, depreciation, the rate of depreciation is R. Now, as for example, uh, we will give you a question. As for example, suppose suppose the question is question number 2. Okay. The question is, Vijay purchased a Maruti car. Vijay purchased a Maruti car 3 years ago. When 3 years ago, Vijay purchased a Maruti car for how much? With 200,000 means 2 lakh. So its value depreciated each year. How much? 25%. Value depreciated. Value depreciated. Value depreciated 5%. Value depreciated. Suppose 5%. Okay. Yes, it's okay. 25% depreciated. Suppose each year 25% amount. 25% amount depreciated. Okay. So what is the percentage value of the car? Now the question, what is the value of that car? Now we are going to solve this. So applying the previous formula, what we have wrote, F equal to I into 1 minus R by 100 to the power t. Here we put the formula 2 lakh, this much, 1 minus 25 by 100 to the power 3. So we will get here 200 into 3 by 4 cube. Okay, so we will get 84,375. So this is the answer. In next session we will discuss more about compound interest, or we will discuss some another mathematical topic. Until that, bye bye, see you later, and please make subscribe up. So thank you so much for today's session.